Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Mariam wig by Revlon in the color Chocolate Caramelita. So yeah, before I do anything else, let me show you what this one looks like on all sides. All right, so this is a 3.5 ounce wig. Bangs are 5.1 inches. The crown down at 7.5 inches. The nape is 4.1 inches, but it's kind of gently curled all over, so kind of take those measurements with a grain of salt. This one weighs 3.5 ounces. I do consider this, like most Revlon wigs, to be kind of tight on me, just so you're aware. I have a 23.5 inch cap circumference, so if that is good for your reference, that's sort of like an average large cap size. So while that's not representative of most wig wearers, if you are in the same boat I am, you will find this one tight, just so you know. But average cap size is about 90% of most women, so most women are not going to have the same problem. This color is super cute. It's sort of like a medium brown with these lovely sort of caramel light brown highlights on top, so you can see. And it's very gently highlighted. So unlike something like the Kahlua Blast from Noriko, where it's like all up here in the front, this is way more of like a subtle highlight effect. It's very pretty, very professional looking. Definitely not what I would consider like a fashion highlight. It's definitely a little bit more laid back than that. Very, very nice, warm chocolate caramel. Very pretty color. I like the cut on this wig. I like the sort of texture, the really pretty sort of loose curls. I think that's really cute. I haven't really done much to this wig except sort of fluff it with my fingers as I'm doing right now. So this one's pretty ready to go right out of the box. It's really cute. I like this one. This one would be a really great everyday running around town kind of wig. Let me go ahead and take Mariam off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Mariam's a relatively inexpensive wig because she's got a standard cap. No bells and whistles here. A little bit of felt right here at the front hairline, but again, nothing to write home about. She's got closed ear tabs covered with lace. She's open wefted on the sides and in the back. She does not have an extended nape, but she does have Velcro adjusters. We like those. The reason why this wig fits so tight, even though the cap seems like it would be relatively roomy, is it doesn't really stretch much. So that's really where that problem lies. But look at how pretty this color is. And it goes all throughout the hair, even to the nape, this chocolate caramelita. So it's like a beautiful color, especially in these sort of curly textured cuts. You can see it's warm without being too warm. The highlights are very evenly spaced. They're not huge and chunky, you know, so it's not like one of the John Renault syrup shades. You know, they're very small little pieces of highlight that have been placed throughout. They just happen to go all the way down to the nape hair. So very, very pretty highlighting. And it is a perma-teased wig because it's got a standard cap. So in this color, it's really well obscured. I'm gonna go ahead and put Mariam back on now so you can kind of get a refresher on what she looks like. And this has been the CysterWigs review of the Mariam wig by Revlon in the color Chocolate Caramelita, which is a really pretty highlighted chocolate brown that has these lovely sort of light caramel brown highlights on top. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you like my wig reviews. If you do, please be sure to check out our wig store, which is just www.cysterwigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon.